back out here. Got Carson with me in the boat today, and the sun's coming up. We got a fellow over in the hole we was going to, and Carson's putting on my hat for good luck. Look at that. Hey, ain't he cute? But hey, we going out here. We got a good many boats out here fishing, but we got a man sitting over there in our spot. Got here real early just to take a spot, and I know who it is, but that's okay. Hey, we'll find him somewhere else. But hey, sun's coming up. Beautiful sight out there this morning on Lake Murray. Hey, Miss Deborah was pretty bad shape this morning. Hopefully she's gonna get better in the next couple of days. I bought some tablets that's supposed to help her. Went all the way to Rock Hill yesterday. Everett, Alton, and Lily was kind enough to tell me about this supplement, and Infla 650 I think it was, and we're gonna give it a shot, hoping to help Miss Deborah a little bit. So she's got on it, and we'll find out in a couple of days. But thanks to Everett and his lovely wife Lily for telling us about this supplement that might help. It's helped a lot of people. But hey, old Carson is getting with it. He's ready to go. Hey, we get right back with you. I hope you enjoyed the show. We got a half the show will be on yesterday, and the other half's going to be today. Hopefully we can add something to it on Lake Murray, loving life. Get right back with you when the fish start. Got Carson in the boat this morning. Stand up on the deck back there, Carson. Okay, come up here. Come up here. Let's dip him up here. He's already dropped out. Everybody I take fishing wants to catch one before I even get ready. That's a good thing though, I guess. Hey, I guess. But he's got one on. He got a good one on. We done back on the stripers here on Lake Murray this morning. Oh, don't let him break off. I give Carson a new spoon. He's already showing off with it. And he got a jumbo super dog. Is what he's got. Hold on. Don't fall down on me. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Look at that, what a fish. Look at that. Grab that thing. See if we can get him out that net. And show the camera. Don't hold him over the water now. Stay in here with him and hold it up to the camera right there. You see the camera? Look at what Carson's got, people. Already this morning, he done got a super dog magnum. Lay it in the barrel. Just lay it in the barrel. There you go. I'm trying to get the trolling motor back up there where we need to go. All right. Out the pliers. We ain't ready. Carson is. Thanks for being with us on another episode of Loving Life on Lake Murray. Got my buddy Carson with me this morning. Hey, he's already got one in the boat. Tell you what, these people I take fishing don't play around, Jack. They don't play around. Hey, we're gonna turn this camera right here and we're gonna get started now on Lake Murray. I start to say Lake Monticello. Changing back and forth here. Carson's got a Boyd Ducket, chrome spoon on, and that's what he just caught that one on. We got about 20 boats out here, 15 or 20, I'm guessing. And hey, people out here, and we're gonna see if we can catch us a doggone striper here. I think we got some in here, so I don't believe it'll be a problem getting a limit. Watch that rod sticking out there. That's a bad way to be sticking it. I don't know, stick it out the other side. Turn it around and do the same thing. There you go. There you go. But hey, went to Lake Monticello yesterday, caught a few perch. Perch was kind of aggravated yesterday. I got a green spoon on. I ain't much liking that green spoon, but Carson said he likes that green spoon, so I might end up giving it to him one day. So I ain't caught a fish on it yet. I ain't even had a bite. There you go. Oh, had a bite. One did hit it. One did hit it. No doubt. Got another bite. Uh-oh. Look yonder going. Carson got number 2. He got number 2. I'm going to turn the camera around. Uh-oh, he got off. He had number 2. He had number 2. Yeah, we're going to catch them today, people. The wind blowing in here is perfect conditions. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh, Lord. Oh, he got off. Doggone it. going on? We done lost about 4 fish, ain't caught but 1. Come on, Boom Daddy.
Oh, he followed it up. I saw it.
Come on, Boom Daddy. Give me one. There you are. There you are. Oh my.
Double up.
Oh my, look how they're going. Hey, gosh. What a spoon action today, boys.
These are big fish in here.
Yeah, these good ones.
I wanted to follow mine up. Was a good one.
That's a good one right there, boys. I mean, that's a good one. What? Oh, Carson got one in the back. We both got one. Oh, Lord, I mean, good fish. Super dog magnum. Hey, day, I can't turn the camera to him because, uh-oh. Carson got one about to pull it out of his hand. The joker's pulling now. They pulling. Oh, I got some. Hey, they pulling. I'm gonna show you what I got, and I'm gonna go dip Carson. Hey, I don't know if I'm gonna show you or not. Look here, huh? Carson got one right here. We're gonna dip him, swing it around here. They just pulling today, buddy. Look at what Carson's got, huh? He's doing it to it now. He's doing it to it. See that? Hey, we got it going on already. Got to get the doggone trolling motor back up here. We'd be out the fish and wind blowing right into the bank. Fish is biting. We got it going on this morning. That's number 3. It ain't gonna take long to get our limit like this with a flutter spoon this morning. Flutter spoon action. Okay, drop it back. We're in 23 foot of water. We done got up on the side. We got to get back. Of course, they'll probably bite it on the way back. It's shallow. We got to get back out yonder. I'm gonna pull back. I should have put it on spotlight when we hooked them fish, but I didn't. Them one probably take it in there shallow. They probably pushed in here and a half. Hey, we already having fun on Lake Murray today. Sun just not coming up. Boy, after you catch them perch and get back on these strappers, they pull your arm off. Calm down in it, boys. All right, I need to put them underneath. 30 foot now. We're getting deep enough to get another bite. What in the world's Lewis doing? He's taking his doggone clothes off. He's gonna get in the water. I seen him put his motor up. He ain't got no shirt on. I don't know what he's doing. He must be done have some motor problems. I don't know. All right, we ought to be getting another. We're getting 39 foot. We're getting out in this creek channel. That, he got him. Carson's got him. He got him in the back there. I'm gonna try to turn the camera. Tell me when.
What you got? Cause he's about to make a run.
I don't know if it's on. Look up in that camera. Tell me if you in it.
Not quite.
Oh, I got one that hit mine.
It needs to be turned. That's good. That's good.
All right, Carson's got one. We're gonna have to dip him. He got a good one back there. He's got a good one back there. Oh. Go back in and dip it for him. All right. Oh, that's a good one. Ow! Right over the net. Right over the net. We lost him. Doggone it. That's okay. We get another. Right over the net. He swam over the. That's what you call a lucky rockfish right there. He was one step being caught. One step being caught. He got a nut. No, you ain't got a nut. I thought you had a nut. Carson's wide open back there.
We'll get some replacement for him.
Went right over the doggone net. I think I got one hitting mine on the way down. Don't want to go down.
Yeah, mine too.
Oh, there he is. Oh, Lord. There he is. We got it going on, ain't we? We got it going on. Oh Lord, it going the other way. Hey, dang. Jokers, you know they pulling. Look at that. Look at that, people. That's a bluefish. That's a blue rock fish. Look at that. Got him in the eye. Whoa, Lord, he about to tear the net up. He about to tear the net up. That joker mean. Blue. I mean, he's done got the thing all tore up. Look here, folks. Ow, you can't hold them. I tell you, them suckers are so strong, you can't hold them. I got something that'll hold him. Look at him. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I had a bite right there. All the way at the top. We got a few down there. We ought to be getting a bite. For some reason, there he is. Carson finally got one. Carson finally got one. I'm going to turn the camera around to Carson here. I don't know how big he is, but he got one. He is what he is. We can't throw him back. We can throw him back, but hey, we're going to have to keep him. Oh, no, I thought he got off. Right, that's what Carson's got right there.
Watch out, you're leaking blood everywhere.
Oh, God. He done blew it all over the boat back there. Well, I'm getting that off. We can get him in the barrel. Why don't you get the towel and wipe that up for me? And I'll turn the camera around to me here. Hey, he wasn't a big one, but he was bleeding like crazy, like a faucet. Put that little water on it in the outside and wipe that off. That joker, it caught him in the gill plate and he was bleeding because we couldn't throw him back if we wanted to. But anyhow, hey, he's little. I ain't even gonna hold him up because he's spewing blood. Hand me that towel. Thank you, sir. All right, you got it all up here too. That joke was like a faucet.
At least having water mixed in it wasn't red.
Right. The only bad thing about carpet, if you get blood in it, you better be getting it up. If you don't get it up and it stains in it, you might be done.
Or catfish slime.
Yeah, catfish slime's another thing. All right, we got to get back out here. What happened to them big ones we was on? We was on some big ones there for a little bit. Oh, that worm dirt is awful. That's why I hate fishing with worms. Look at that, Carson done had another bite. Pull back out here a little bit. What happened to your flutter spoon? All right, let's put it back out there. I don't see any schooling activity, so everything is flutter spoon so far. All them boats out there looking for school fish, I don't believe they're gonna find them. Oh, Carson got a nut. He got a good one. He got a good one. Let me turn that camera to my brother guy here. Got you?
Yeah.
We need to hire a cameraman. What we need to do. Better off we have a free cameraman somewhere. They pulling this morning. They mean this morning. That's all I got to say. They mean. They mean. Oh, that's a good fish. Come in here, boy. Come back this way. We got him. Look at that. Huh? We got him. Nice one too. Huh? Nice one. I'm turning the camera back around. I apologize for all this camera turning. When you got two people in the boat, ain't no other way to do it. Okay. Look at him. He got a knife. What I'm talking about, my buddy Carson. Look at him. Carson killed him. He killed him. All right. Tell you what, I don't know how. Without this barrel, you'd have one run boat. The carpet would be a mess. All right. Drop it to the bottom where the big boys lie. Move back in the cove a little bit. We're gonna try to see if we can get another bite. Yep, there he is. He got, no, yeah, I still got him. I don't know what size he is. Well, I changed over to the white Flutter spoon. There come another boat. That ain't too bad a fish, I don't believe. Hey, he's a good one. He's a good one. That's the kind we're looking for. That's the kind we're looking for right there. That's a good one. Oh, if I can get him in the boat. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that, people. That's a good one. Look at that. Folks, I think they want it at a 45. Every bite I'm getting is at a 45. I got to pull the boat up and get it at an angle to catch him. I just had one on, he got off. We had a boat come right in on top of us, run our fish off. We was fixing to kill him. And he come trolling by us. You can't, they hear that big motor, they will leave. 9 out of 10 times, they will leave. Oh, there he is.
They wanted it at an
Took it on the way back.
They wanted it at that angle.
Yeah, they wanted the angle was the key. Ain't no doubt. If you don't get it angled, you ain't gonna catch him. You ain't gonna catch him. Ah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, look at that. Huh? Let's swing him in the boat. He ain't that big. Swing him in the boat and ride off. That's what I like. He ain't that big. He's small fish. What did I do with my grippers? He's small fish. It's kind you like to throw back fish. Come back in, boy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw him back. Move a little bit. We're gonna see if we can get something going right here. I see a couple of fish, 36 foot of water. See if we can get one of them bited. Fish just shut down. But we started off wide open and they just shut off like somebody's cutting a switch. But we got some under us. No doubt about that.
They wouldn't even put it at that big angle.
There's plenty of fish there. Let's do that angle. There's fish there. They're looking at it. 36 foot and they're looking at it. They just ain't hitting. And they could be small. We got to definitely do an angle. Oh, there's a bunch of fish there. We ought to get a bite. There he is. What I tell you. What I tell you. Old Fisherman sees. He knows what he's looking at. He knows what he's looking at. And that angle will do it. Look at that coming in right into the sun. Right into the sun. Son. Look at him fight. Huh? What? You got to look. The Old Fisherman loving life with his buddy Carson. Come in here, boy. Come in here, boy. Come in here, boy. Come in here to the Old Fisherman. In the drum. 2 points. What I'm talking about.
Get him wet.
He did get me wet. 2 points. Calm down. Calm down, boy. You're getting us all wet. What's wrong with you? Doggone lid ain't up here. You're about to drown us. Alright, I'm gonna show him to you if I can. Oh, he just drowned me. Look at that. I need my lid. We put the fish in the doggone live well, or actually in the ice chest, and this joker's about to drown me.
He's gonna get eaten anyway, so that's his way of revenge, I guess.
Oh man, he is drowning me. Right, well, he ain't gonna drown me now. I'm gonna put my little lid in there, keep that from happening. See right there? I eating a cracker, and I hooked up on a nice one, and we got them all up under us. We got them all up under us. Oh my! Look at that. In the drum. Catch one, Carson. I don't see you do it. They there. Told you I seen fish. Look at that. Carson got one. Look at that. Carson's going to grunt like me when he hooks one. He's starting to sound like the Old Fisherman. He got a little baby. We're going to catch and release. He's going to get off, Carson. Here, you want the pliers? Oh, there you got him. He slipped right off the hook. Hey, Carson's got one on this morning. Got one on this morning. Right here in the back of the boat. Y'all see him or not? We're going to try to catch him. I've been playing with the camera. The camera don't want to work. Might not be working now. Yeah, but the sound might not be working. All right, that's a good one. That's a good one. That is a good one. Look at that. Look what Carson's got this morning already. Hey, that joker's grinning back there. Ain't something. Hey. Already this morning. It's all wet. Turn the thing around here. On my side of the boat. And we're going to put him in the drum. We're going to put him in the drum. Unhook him. Calm down. Calm down. There you go. Number one today, old Carson. Hey, loving life. Look at that. Huh? So we get another. Hopefully that camera's working. Ain't no guarantee. Ain't no guarantee. Up high. Lake Murray, glad y'all could be with me on another episode of Living Life. Hey, we got blood in the boat already. We got blood in the boat already. Hey folks, Carson's got a whopper on back in the back.
Oh.
He got the whopper. He's got a whopper.
Ooh, ooh.
He's got a whopper.
Man, that fish nailed it.
Boom.
It's a good fish.
That's a big fish.
Good fish.
That is a big fish. Look at that water fish. Look at that water fish Carson got here.
Ooh.
Give me a little slack. Look at that water fish. Hey, that's a jumbo super dog supreme magnum.
Nailed it.
Calm down. Hey, I'm turning the camera around. Look at old Carson. He's doing it, ain't he? Hey, let's turn the camera around and see if we can get a picture of him up in the drum. That's a good fish. That's about a 5 pounder. That's the kind we're looking for. Calm down now. That's the kind we're looking for. Look at that. Huh? Look at that, people. That's a jumbo magnum. Carson, you want to hold him up?
Yeah.
Here, hold him up and I'll turn the camera around. I think the camera, you're going to have to come up here because the sun's going to be too bad. Watch that rod. Watch your rod. It's at a bad place. That rod needs to be on the side. But look at that fish. Look at here. Come on up here at the front. I got your rod.
I'll hook him first. No.
Come on up here. You got him? Come on, walk up here where you can get in the picture. Look at that, folks. Look what Carson's got. A jumbo magnum. That's a good one. Leave him down there. The Old Fisherman finally latched on one. You believe that or not? It's been a while. We having a hard time today on this lake. Carson caught the first two, and I caught a little one a while ago. But this is a pretty good, a little bit bigger one. But they don't want to bite. My goodness, they just don't want to bite today. He's a nice one. He's a nice one. Look at him. I mean, a good one. That's a good one. What? Look at that. A jumbo super supreme, buddy. Huh? When you think it's not going to happen, it happens. At least that one happened. Might have more to happen. But look at here. Look at that, folks. Hey, you got to love it. The Old Fisherman finally hooked up on. He found that acorn he's been looking for. Blind hog acorn. He's a skinny fish. I'll say that. He ought to eat. He sure is skinny. Real skinny. I'm gonna hook don't want to come out. But hey, he's a nice one. You got to love a nice one. Look how long that fish is. Look at that. Look how long that fish is. What? Come on, Mr. Carson. Catch me one. I just caught another right before that. Couldn't get the camera to turn on. Hey, we've been having camera problems all day. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do, but I'm gonna have to do something with my camera. It don't want to work half the time. I think I might be done wore out. But hey, we back out here on Lake Murray, loving life. Me and Carson have been, hey, we lose our focus when we get together, get to talking about stuff. That's what happens when you get your partner out there fishing. Sometimes you can't catch me. Next thing you know, y'all talking about all kind of stuff that ain't even focusing on fishing. And that's why it's hard to catch them sometimes with people in the boat with you. When you're by yourself, yeah, you got to focus because you ain't got nobody to talk to but the camera. And hey, I'm always talking anyhow, but I focus better talking to the camera. When I get a live person in the boat like Carson, we get to reminiscing about things. And now we're reminiscing, sure enough. Carson's trying to use the little crappie jigs out there in the back, which ain't gonna work. Because he done give up on the flutter spoon.
It's got a bump on this one.
When he shouldn't have. So, you know, sometimes you mess yourself up, don't do what you're supposed to be doing. And now it's done messed Old Fisherman up because we were wrapped up 20,000 times. Flutter spoon and the crappie jig might not work together. But anyhow, hey, let's see if we can catch another. I just caught two. I would have thought that Carson would be done and say, well, I better put the flutter spoon back, but he ain't done it. He's sticking with that crappie jig. He's boneheaded like the Old Fisherman. But both of them fish hit at a 45. If you don't get the slack in the line, you ain't gonna catch them. I don't think not today. Not now. Carson's got to go back to school about next week. He ain't looking forward to that. I remember them days. It was always really good to get out of school for the summer. Really bad to have to go back. But in the other hand, you're higher grades. You got kind of excited about going back and meeting you. Might be somebody new you don't know coming to school. Hey, that's fun. All you people out there, all you kids out there that don't want to go to school, you got to toughen up and go to school, make good grades, where you can get out and make you a good living. And then you can go fishing like the Old Fisherman. The good life when you done got old and decrepit. The good life. This is what the life I've been wanting all my life. Go fishing. And now I got it. Carson asked me yesterday, did I ever get tired of fishing? Hey, when I have bad days like we've been having today, I do sometimes. Drop right back out and got them nutting. Got them nutting. They in here and you got to work it at a 45 before they'll hit it. Oh Lord, he's going back towards you, Carson. He's going back towards you, Carson. That's a good fish too. Ain't that bad? Ain't that bad? Hey, that makes number 5. We might catch a mess yet. Look at that. So they in here. And nice ones too. Look at that. Look at the Old Fisherman. Showing out now. Carson back there scratching his head. What happened? Old Fisherman catching my angel. That's all right. That boy can catch them, son. Hey, look at that. Ain't that a nice one? You gotta love it. Love fishing with my buddy Carson. He quiet though now. He's really quiet when he ain't catching no fish. He's trying to focus. Hey, they like it in a slant now. All 3 bites I've had has been on slant in here. And there's a few right there. We're getting up on the side of a little hump here, and I'm seeing some 26 foot, believe it or not. So we're gonna put that slant, see if we can't get a nut in the bite. I'm sure we will. I'm getting confidence. Yeah, bite. There's a whole pile of fish down on the bottom. I don't know what they are. Might be stripers, might be perch. I don't know what they are. Let's beat the boat. I have seen these fish not bite early in the morning and bite up into the day a little bit, especially in a cove like this. Got the geese coming by. And I got a little bit of spirit of hope coming in. We might catch a couple. One thing about fishing, you can't give up. And you got to try to stay focused. It's hard to do though. I'll be the first to tell you, it's hard to stay focused, but focus is what you got to stay. And always believe one's gonna bite the next pull. Keep that in your mind. The next pull is gonna be the pull you get the bite on. Focus on that plug. Put your mind, travel out along with that plug with your mind, and you see it wiggling coming up through there, coming by a fish. You imagine all that, and it'll help. He's got a nice one on back here, and I don't know what he's got. He got a little stripe. He got a stripe in the back of the head. He was playing, reeling it in, wasn't even thinking about getting a bite. And what happens? He gets a bite. What I'm talking about, he gets a bite. Little Carson, come here. Oh, where you going with him? Oh, I didn't think you wanted to catch him there for a little bit. Hey, look at that, folks. Look what Carson's got. Pull him up out of there and show the camera. See if you can get him out of there.
Probably wrapped.
Yeah, he's probably wrapped. See if you can get your other hand on it. There you go. See if you're in the camera. I can't see up there.
No, point it to him.
Okay. See Carson back there?
That's it.
There you go. Hey.
Nice one.
Hey, he got a nice one. Hey, we're gonna. I think that's number 6. He catching a few. It's slow.
What in the world is that thing?
It's slow but sure. Put him up here in the box. You can walk up here and stand up in there. I'll show him again. Hey, we ain't got many to show, so show him. Step up. All right, there you go. Look at that. Good shot.
Now, if that wasn't a slant, nothing is.
That was a real slant. Look at that, automatic release. Can't beat that.
I mean, that was slanted.
Seems like they don't want to hit it unless it's slanted. I'm telling you.
Pretty much casted it.
Yeah. That's what they want. That's the way they want it.
Number 6.
And then reel up another one back here. Hey,
We got some shoulders.
he's done figured out what to do back here. I'm telling you, he done figured it out. And they were right into the sun. I hate that.
Ooh, it's a good one.
He got a good one on. What? That doggone
It's a
Carson.
good one.
Yes, ain't it? I'm Carson's dipper today. We done figured it out. Throw it out and reel it in fast at a 45 and catch one. Look at that. Hey, look at Carson. Look at Carson.
Nah, oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Get it.
A good one too. Whoa. Can't get him, you pull him to the boat. Look at that. Look what Carson's got. Huh? Look what Carson's got, people. Carson's doing it, ain't it? Huh? He got him up under the chin. Look at that. Look at that. Up under the chin. Look at that rascal. Hey, come walking up here again. There's a doggone sun back there. You can't see a thing back that way. Not a thing. Oh, Carson. He's doing it to it. He's reeling that thing in a crazy way back there. Had almost sitting on it. Hey, you see him? Hey, that's a nice one.